Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make shrimp stuffed plantains. Yes, I said it, plantains stuffed with shrimp. So guys, this is like a trip to the island because it is shrimp in coconut sauce stuffed into this roasted plantains. It is amazing. It is so easy to make and yet it tastes so good, and it looks really pretty when you're done presenting it. So it makes for the perfect dinner when you have someone over. Trust me, they're gonna be impressed. So guys, if you want to learn how to make shrimp stuffed plantains my way, and just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, share this video with your friends and your family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now and support a sister, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. So the first thing you'll need will be your ripe plantains, shrimp, raw shrimp, tomato sauce. You need your coconut cream, and I have some melted butter, half a lemon, onions, jalapeno, habanero, and garlic. And you need some parsley, of course. So I'm gonna start off by cutting a slit in my plantain. So I already peeled my plantain. So using a paring knife, I'm gonna make a slit in each of the plantains, but make sure you don't cut through and through, guys, because that way your sauce is gonna leak out of your plantains when you're done cooking it. Okay, so be careful with this. So just make a slit gently just along the entire length of the plantain, and then cover your plantain with your melted butter. Guys, the melted butter is gonna give it such a beautiful color and such beautiful flavor. When you roast or you cook butter, you know you intensify the flavor, so it's gonna be awesome. Okay. But you can definitely use regular oil if you don't have butter, but butter is amazing because it really gives it that really beautiful color. So using my fingers, I kind of widened the slit that I made in the plantains just so it doesn't stick back together when I'm done cooking it. So I just made that slit to keep things open while I'm cooking my plantains. So once I'm done rubbing that butter all over my plantains, I'm gonna go ahead and season with some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, because I love it when it's freshly cracked. It just tastes way better than buying the canned stuff. Okay, so my black pepper goes on there. Then I'm gonna top it up with some smoked paprika. So this paprika is gonna give it such a beautiful color and extra flavor, and just a nice kick to it. It's really nice. If you have paprika, you use it. I love me some paprika. So I made sure that I coated the entire surface of my plantain with the seasoning, and once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and place my plantain on a wire rack and then bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all you need. So while my plantain is cooking, I will quickly marinate my shrimp. So I'm gonna marinate it with just some nice virgin olive oil, black pepper, paprika, salt, and the juice of half a lemon. So once I have that all in there, I'm gonna stir this up really good, and then I'll set this shrimp aside to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can definitely marinate it for longer if you have the time, but I did not have the time today. So 10 to 15 minutes is all that I needed, okay? So once my shrimp is good to go, I'm gonna add another splash of olive oil in my heated pan, and then I'm gonna use this to cook my shrimp for about 3 minutes, making sure to turn it halfway through my cooking. Okay, guys, the thing with shrimp is that you really don't want to overcook your shrimp. It's gonna end up being rubbery and tasteless, so be very careful with your shrimp. So I've flipped it over, and once my shrimp is done, I'm gonna go ahead and clear it off my pan and get to making the sauce. So I have some butter in the pan, in the same pan that I used for my shrimp. So I'm gonna use this butter to deglaze the pan and get all that nice drippings right there. And then I'm using it to cook my onions. So guys, I grated the onions because it's easier to grate your onions and it makes it cook really fast. So once my onions are in there, I'm gonna cook it for about a minute or a minute and a half, and then I'm gonna add my garlic and my chopped spicy peppers. Guys, I'm telling you, this is not for the faint-hearted. If you don't like spices, you can definitely cut down on the pepper, but I love me my habanero and my jalapeno, so I put both of them in there. It's such a beautiful flavor. So after about an extra minute of cooking that, I've added my tomato sauce, and I'm gonna stir this really good, season it with some salt and some black pepper, and then I'm gonna let it simmer for about 3 minutes. So after about 3 minutes, it'll be time to get on with adding my coconut cream and my shrimp and all that stuff back in the sauce, and this sauce will be done. I told you it was easy, guys. So easy. So now I've added my coconut cream. I'm gonna add my parsley because I love me my parsley. And then my shrimp goes back into the sauce, and give this a really good stir and let it simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, guys. Be careful, be mindful of that. So just about 1 to 2 minutes of simmering on low heat, and this sauce is done. Okay, it's done. So it's time to move on with stuffing our plantain. So look at how gorgeous my plantains are. Beautiful. You see what the paprika did? It just added that beautiful color. Then the butter, oh my god, it looks so pretty, I'm telling you. So now I've opened up my plantains, create them kind of like a boat. It looks really nice, guys. If you do it right, it really looks so pretty. So now I've stuffed it with my shrimp, and I'm gonna scoop in that delicious sauce into my plantain bowl. Scoop in as much as it can take, okay? I'm just trying to make it look pretty for you guys, but you can definitely go sloppy and just smother the whole thing with the sauce. So this is what it looks like at the end, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good. The coconut and the shrimp and the plantain, it is a match made in heaven. You need to try this, guys. And after you've tried it, be sure to leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if you liked it. And guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and support a sister, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.